cases. Therefore, we are pushing that in a mission mode. We have asked the MLAs, MDCs, we have asked the different religious leaders, headmen, civil society, and all to help and contribute towards how we could enhance the vaccination drive. And we have seen positive results in the last few days, but we are very hopeful that we will see the rates of vaccination go up even higher in the coming weeks and months. And we're hopeful that if we're able to pick up to about 20,000 to 25,000 vaccinations per day, we should be able to complete the vaccination of all the eligible population by the end of September or early October is what we are expecting. But we need to enhance our vaccinations to 20,000 plus per day. We are thankful to Government of India and to the Honorable Prime Minister for their continuous support in these difficult times. Government of India has been very generous in giving the vaccinations free of cost to all population above the age of 18. At the same time, Government of India has also supplied us, the PSA oxygen plants for different districts. Approximately 14 of them have been sanctioned by Government of India. And at the same time, oxygen cylinders, oxygen concentrators, and different equipments, health equipments and infrastructure have been given by Government of India. So all the Chief Ministers had thanked the Honorable Prime Minister and Government of India and the Health Department for the continuous support and the fight in this fight against COVID-19. The Prime Minister has urged all the Chief Ministers to pay more attention on the vaccination drive, and as the vaccination drive is the only way in the long run to really beat COVID. So therefore, it was a very productive meeting, and once again, with all the Chief Ministers, thank the Honorable Prime Minister for having this special meeting for the states of the Northeast only, which really gave us a lot of time to express our concerns and also for the Prime Minister to be able to focus on the issues related to the Northeast.